My name is Bob Edmunds. You elected me to be a justice on your Supreme Court. Service on the court has been the greatest honor of my legal career. Whenever possible, I love to walk to work. That walk takes me across the Capitol grounds, past the State Capitol building. I see the flags. I see the statues of our North Carolina heroes. As I reach the Supreme Court building, I see the words carved over the doors, law and justice. And every day, I think how privileged, how blessed I am to be one of your justices. Hi everybody, I'm North Carolina Supreme Court Justice Bob Edmunds, and I'm running for re-election this year. Now you may ask yourself, why does this judicial race matter to me? Well, this North Carolina Supreme Court handles all types of issues that affect everybody in North Carolina. The North Carolina Supreme Court has issued opinions that deal with taxation, deal with property rights, deal with workers' rights and employers' rights, deal with the education of your children. One of the most important types of cases we deal with are capital cases, or death penalty cases. When I was in private practice, I represented capital defendants. And I know what it's like to have a client executed. And I know that these cases are for keeps. So these races are important and affect everybody in North Carolina. The one thing I hope you'll remember about this election is that service on the highest court in North Carolina is not an entry-level position. I've prepared for being a justice on the North Carolina Supreme Court by serving as an elected judge on the Court of Appeals for 2 years. Before that, I was a partner in a firm in Greensboro. I was a presidentially appointed United States Attorney for the Middle District of North Carolina. I've been a state and federal prosecutor and tried hundreds of cases to appeal. So I believe that I am prepared to continue my work on the Supreme Court of North Carolina. Who best to say whether a justice has done a good job? I suggest that it's the police and the lawyers who have to work with our opinions every day, and I'm proud to say that I have the bipartisan support of lawyers across North Carolina and the support of the police and sheriffs all across the state of North Carolina. If you re-elect me this year in 2008, I will continue to be the same careful, fair, and impartial justice that I have always been. Please check out my website and learn a little bit more about me. It's www.reelectjusticeedmunds.com, all one word. I need your support in November. I ask for your vote. Thank you very much.